welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to see how many bracelets we can make in 1 hour. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay, so in conclusion, I made 5 bracelets. And I know that's not a lot, but here's why I think I could only make 5 in the amount of time I had. So, the first bracelet that I made for the challenge was like super duper small, like it could barely fit around my wrist. And I spent like so much time trying to like fix it and like try to make it bigger. So that's where a lot of time just got wasted, and it like kept breaking. So like the string, like I held it backward and then all the beads like fell out. So I had to keep restarting, I think at least 3 times. But anyway, let me show you the 5 bracelets that I did make. First bracelet, the colors look so pretty together. Second bracelet, this reminds me of those candy bracelets that you can eat. Third bracelet, this bracelet is so pretty. Fourth bracelet, this is a yellow and pink loom bracelet. Fifth and final bracelet, this is the one I was talking about. It's so tiny and it's so small. But anyway, bye!